Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is Tab Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, an oldie but a goodie, then thank you so much for stopping by in today's video. Today's video is going to be a skincare product review. I haven't done these in so long. You guys know that I live for my skincare, and I always like to put you guys in the loop of what I am using, what I've used, what has worked, what hasn't worked. And today's video is on this product here. And you guys, if you guys don't know already, I absolutely love this product. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and this is the Synchronized Multi Recovery Complex Serum. I absolutely have been enjoying this, and I wanted to do a video when I bought it initially, but you guys know that I like to always give you guys a realistic review, and I'd like to give you a full detailed review once I've used something. I don't like to just unbox a review and then just give you something, because I feel like then I haven't really been truthful to you guys, and also I haven't really had time to also get used to the product. So I've actually been using this for 10 months now. You guys can see for yourself that we are literally almost finished, and I need to buy some more of this. I've been using it for 10 months now, and it's been an absolute joy to my skin, and I'm going to tell you all about it like I always do in all my reviews. Sorry if I'm looking down here, I've just got all the information about the serum. Like I always do in all my product reviews, I always give you knowledge on what the product claims and then give you my experience with it. So let's get started with that. So guys, it claims that it leaves your skin looking radiant, plumper with hydration all the way through the morning. It also helps with evening out your skin tone, and also giving your skin much more of a firmer feel and look rather. It's also really good for smoothing out lines and wrinkles, and they appear reduced after using it. It also says that 90% of the women say that their skin felt smoother immediately. The ingredients, or the main ingredients that it contains, are hyaluronic acid, which we already know, or if you guys don't know, it's so good for hydration. That is literally the master of hydrating your skin, hyaluronic acid. And then it also says our exclusive Chronolux power signal technology. So that's also something that it contains, and it's suitable for all skin types. It's going to help with signs of aging and also loss of firmness in the skin, because as we get older, our skin just starts to sag down and gravity takes place. And it also claims that it's going to get rid of lines and wrinkles, which we mentioned, dryness, dehydration, dullness, loss of radiance, and uneven skin tone. The formula facts are that it's oil-free, it's free from synthetic fragrance, it's also recyclable, which is so good because it's a glass bottle, so that's really good for the environment, and it's dermatologist tested. It also won't clog your pores. In terms of how to use it, apply the serum on a clean skin before you moisturize in the morning and in the evening. And then it says smooth in gently all over the face and the throat area. So that is the claims of what this beauty does. What my experience with it for the past 10 months, it's been absolutely amazing to use it. You guys can see that I'm literally almost finished, and I'm going to be purchasing another bottle. My experience with using it, the first night when I used it and I woke up the next morning, my skin was just so supple, so hydrated. I was looking for a serum that really worked in terms of, you know, skin tone, brightening that up, and also giving me a radiance, and also just giving me a youthful bounce in my skin, because as you get older you just lose it. So I just wanted a product that sort of had all of those things in one bottle. And I've tried so many which haven't really worked, or their formulas, they're too kind of like thin. They're not as thick in terms of consistency, and they don't feel like they really sit well on your skin for a longer time. I don't know if anyone can testify for this, but I just find some serums, they're just too lightweight, and they just end up making my skin looking much more dry in the morning and just much more irritated, and I've not experienced this at all. The product feels really nice, and it just feels like there's a lot of hydration as you apply it for the first time. In terms of drops, I actually use a few drops on either sides of my face and my forehead, and also on my throat area, and just go in with that. And sometimes I actually don't use my moisturizer on top of it, because I feel like, because of the consistency and how it feels like, it's so hydrating that you don't need to apply moisturizer. So I don't find myself putting moisturizer on top, because it just does it for me. In terms of my skin tone, I feel like my skin tone is definitely bright. I am somebody that does tend to use quite a lot of exfoliants and all of that, so I feel like my skin tone, I've been working on brightening it, and ever since also incorporating this, it's even given me much more of a brighter look in terms of my skin, especially in winter. If you guys have ever lived, or if you guys live in the climate like England, you'll know that in winter your skin just goes through the most, and because I've been putting this on, it's just been absolutely good. So I think that it's worth the money, and I'm not just saying it just because it's a product, it's something that I've used, and also it's not like it's not giving me any breakouts or anything, which is something that I always can tell if a product is good or if it's not, is if it makes you break out. This is not made to be breakout whatsoever. The other serums that I've used in the past, they make me break out, and they just never actually work, to be honest. But with this, I've seen difference. I've also seen difference in my laugh lines. I'm somebody that tends to smile quite a lot, so I was starting to get these dented lines, and ever since I've been using this, I feel like it's just sort of given it much more of a boost, and it's not as prominent as it was before. I'm not saying that it's completely gone, but it's not as prominent as it was prior to me not using this. So I really think that it does work. Of course, like any product, you have to be religious and you have to use it every single day. I sometimes use it just before I do my makeup, and I always like how my makeup looks like and how it's not as dry. And today I actually used it as a base before going in with my foundation, and I just feel like my skin right now just looks absolutely flawless, and it looks smooth to the gods. And I think it's because of this and also the other products that I use, but I highly recommend it. This one is 75 mils. I got it as a birthday present, and the 75 mils is 105. You can get 30 mils for 60, and then I think 50 mils for 82 pounds, but this one is 75, and I think it's worth buying the 75 because I've had it for 10 months and I've used it every single day, and I've even still got a little bit more left. I just think it's worth the value in terms of the money and in terms of what you're going to get out of it. So really highly recommend you guys check it out. I can't rave enough about it. It is a magic like serum literally that has just improved my skin, and I just want to carry on using it till forever. I do love Estee Lauder quite a lot, so the fact that I've now got a serum that really works and I've tried it, it just makes me even believe more of their products and just how they work. It's absolutely beauty, and do get it yourself if you do want a serum that's going to help with boosting your radiance, your skin tone, and also just giving you a glow. If you want that, definitely check this out. I'll list it in the description box where I got it from for my birthday. And yeah, so guys, that is literally my review on the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. If I was you, I'd go and get yours because it is absolutely worth the money. It's worth the raves. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this video for you guys, and please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will link this in the description box like I always do, and please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, share it with someone that might want this sort of serum. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls. Bye.